Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video trendy and latest collection of choppy hairstyle in short hair. With beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more stylish and trendy collection of choppy hairstyle for girls and women to see in this video. Hope you like it. Different ideas of hairstyling, in choppy hairstyle ideas, messy hairstyles, and spiky hairstyle. Beautiful collection of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and so beautiful overall ideas of different haircut in choppy haircut. Beautiful collection of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors, attractive ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, and many much more latest and trendy ideas of choppy hairstyle in short hair for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish. And you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video. Your friends, your family members and others. And please support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dart back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.